So right here, as I said, I want to open, and I just use this plastic tool to open this one, and I press from this side to up in this corner, and it's start coming out, and just press slowly and move. Like you can see, this one is slightly, so just I press here and start doing this. You can see just come out a little bit. If you want, I will show you again. I will press again. There's a lock. How to open? You can see it's completely closed right here, and I press slightly here, as you can see. Okay. You can see. Opening with the camera in front of camera is slightly different. Okay, maybe I use my nail a little bit. You can see it's trying to open from my nail. Just carefully, yeah, right here. Because inside there is a lock. You can see slightly come out from this side already. There's a lock, so just press this side. Even with my nail only. Even from my nail, I'm just opening from my nail. But if your nail's enough strong, not all people, their nails are, we should do. See, I just press slightly my nail, and it's. So the main thing, I have to check the battery. Okay, here's the 2 screws. So yeah, don't press harder. So these 2 screws, I know there's a screw, but I just want to check from this side is open or not. So I have other tools, so I can use it to open. Okay, yeah, simple. Wow. So here you can see the battery, quite long, and just be careful, don't mess up much things. There's a 2 battery connection here, and here is the camera. Don't bring out anything. I would recommend, if you don't know much, just have to make a connection simple way. You don't have to touch that side. I will make a joints here, break one side, red and black, I scratch. So here I give a connection with another battery, and that's the real battery here, 400 mAh, and this is real 400, quite slim. So yeah, there's the battery here. Just like that. Don't move much because the connection can break. So yeah, I don't want to use it a lot of movement here. I just want to get the battery and put the battery here. But anyway, I just want to show so you get the idea how it looks like. Memory card this side, simple chip here. This is mic here, and yeah, I can remove this, but I don't want to remove because there's a lot of buttons. I don't know if I remove the but the button adjustment can be wrong. You see this side, this side, this side is all off here, and this is on. So I don't want to bring out, because sometimes because you bring out and your button, when you try to put back, might be your button get badly pressed and your device might be not work. So safe side, just leave it like that. The best thing is break down this connection and connect your other battery, the same one, same type, and put it back. So in case if I put the battery this side, I can put it like slightly like this, so it will be like this, you know, kind of double. After double battery here, it will be here on the top like this, and I will leave it just like that. Or might be I can put the battery and I not put the original case, or maybe I will just add the tape like DIY, simple black tape, cover it on the sides and cut the tape from the buttons. Or I will just put it like this with the hot glue yeah, so you get the idea. If you have any question, you can ask me, but I'm going to order the battery now, because I don't order the battery first, so I get the idea, the size of the battery. You can have a little bit idea. So now you can see the battery size is actually almost 5 centimeter, actually slightly bigger than 5 centimeter, and the width is 2 centimeter, and the thickness is 3 mm or 4 mm, less than 5 mm. You see, so 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter is the width. So yeah, you get idea the size of battery. And this side is the roll for camera movement. You don't have to touch this thing, it's a cheaper one, and you don't have to mess up a lot of stuff. Hope you like. Any question you can ask me. So this is the battery. I find it here, almost the same size. It's called battery PS3, PS4 op battery, I don't know. So you can see this kind of battery is perfect, 4 by 2 centimeter. It's less than $1 actually. So, or you can get one battery a little bit bigger, like 1000 mAh, but the size is very important. This is the size, 4 by 2 centimeter. Should be the same size. And they call mostly battery PS3 or PS4. PS3 op, or, I don't know, something like that. So yeah, exactly the same size, 2 centimeter width and 4 centimeter. Okay, so I got the battery here. If you see this battery, long and but thin, right? This battery is quite short, but the size is same, 2 centimeter here and 4 centimeter. This is almost 5 centimeter, but thick. So big difference. This is 700 mAh. This is 400 mAh. Yeah, 400 mAh. But you can see thickness. So yeah. Now there's a two option. I will make a solder, but like if you don't have solder, you just cut the connection in the middle somewhere, like maybe from here we can cut from here, and I just make it this connection together from here to just like that, easy and simple way. Maybe cutting this side if you don't want to solder and it's difficult, so just cut it from the knife or from the scissor. So this is the good option. So I'm going to cut this one by one. Okay, like this, and like this. Maybe just like this. Okay, so here one battery out, and this battery going to be here. To bring out this small see, easy. Okay. I put a little bit paste here. My solder is not good, maybe I will change it. Okay, so this solder is good quality, and now you can see it will be quick connection here. Yeah, right here. Yes, done. And another. Yes, I can do just a little bit of this. Okay. Quite nice. So I will put a little bit tape. Paper tape is okay, or plastic tape if you have it. Okay. Okay, in case for extra protection. Okay, so now here my battery is ready. Just put it inside like this, simple. Yeah, but yeah, it cannot be closed, I know that already, but no problem. It will be something like that, but it's okay. I will close it just in this way. But the timing will be double. Just you can put the tape, or you can put the double-sided tape, which one is available to you, or even you don't put, if you don't want to use this clip also, you still can use it just like that, and you can put the tape here. So yeah, I have double-sided tape here. So what I'm going to do, small piece, it's enough, because you don't need too bigger, so it's difficult to remove. But I don't want to put it quickly now. I will just put it here, and I want to testing first. So everything okay, then I will put it back. So you can choose just like that, or just black tape, transparent tape, any tape, and just make it cover like that. So it will be still works perfectly. It's just DIY modification as you like it. So I want to check charging. Is it work or not? So let me show you. So press here, you can see it's charging here. Okay, it's charging, and let me start record. Okay, record, start recording. So the battery works fine here. Okay, thumbs up for that. Close. Okay, start recording. Stop recording. Okay, So if you can check the battery, if you have different kind of battery, maybe just like more slimmer, you can see how you can adjust. If you want same kind of battery, double, you can make it, but it will be the same thing. When it become double, it will be thick, but it become 800 mAh if you have double like that. But I don't know the battery quality availability, so I prefer this one. It cost me cheaper, so yeah, less than, it's almost $2, less than $2 actually. Yeah, see. So now what I'm going to do, if you want, this is the basic thing. I put the tape and I upgrade this one like that, but what you have another way, if you want, you can just put the hot glue here, see, like this, so it will be, looks like more full black, as you can see. Simple and easy. See, you can put the hot glue, yeah, just like that. So you can see, so simple and easy. It's up to you what you want. So this is the final version. It's worked fine, it's worked perfect. Already try. You can see I open it here, right here, down, start recording successfully. See, okay, close recording. Yeah, hope you like the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. And in the last, the battery is 855 mAh. Actually they mentioned 700, but I do the test, so it's upgrade from 400 mAh to 855 mAh battery.